Come along with me, let's draw letter F. Start by drawing a big straight line down. Then, draw a shorter straight line across the top, parallel to the first line. Connect the top ends of the two lines with a vertical straight line on the right side. You've made a letter F. Great job! Next, let's draw a flower. F for flower. Picture a burst of color and sweet fragrance dancing in the breeze. That's the letter F when it stands for flower. Flowers are like nature's paintbrushes, painting the world with petals of every hue and filling the air with their delightful scents. Flowers come in all sorts of colors, from vibrant reds and sunny yellows to cool blues and soft pinks. Some flowers even change color as they bloom, like magic. It looks great! Let's color them together. Blue colored for the letter F. Do you enjoy flowers? Which one is your favorite? Whoa, that's nice too! Brown colored for the center of the flower. The petals are yellow. The stem is dark green while the leaf is green. The vase is orange colored. The next time you see the letter F, think of the fabulous flowers that fill our world with color and joy. There you have it. Letter F. F for flower.